To the Western Cape now, where the COVID-19 infection rate may be dropping, and some hospitals in the province are now allowing patients to receive visitors. Visits at health facilities have been harshly restricted during lockdown to prevent the risk of further infection. Now, these rules are now slowly being relaxed, with the province sitting at a 91% recovery rate. ENCA's Monique Mortlock reports.
The restriction of visitors at hospitals has been taxing on the families of patients. It has robbed those who have lost loved ones of the opportunity to say their final goodbyes.
For those families that have lost loved ones during this period of pandemic, it's in fact been a triple tragedy. Of course, the tragedy of losing a loved one, but also the tragedy of not being able to be with that loved one in the final days, the final moments.
Experts say saying goodbye to someone before they pass away is one of the most important steps in the grieving process.
It helps the letting go process, it helps the grieving of the person who's sick, it helps the grieving process of the people who are left behind. And if it doesn't happen, grief becomes more complicated and harder.
Melomed is now allowing patients who are at the end of their lives to receive one designated visitor. These visitors will only be allowed in at certain times and will have to wear full PPE provided by the hospital.
Ek dink dit gaan baie vir die pasiënt help om 'n bietjie lig te kry. Iemand jy kan jou naaste familielid gaan nie naby jou wees en jou hand vashou en dit gaan gerusstellend wees.
This isn't the only hospital to relax its visitation rules. Other private facilities like Mediclinic have also opened up certain areas to allow non-COVID-19 patients to have at least one visitor during specific times. Some state hospitals in the province are also allowing visitors for terminally ill patients where it's safe to do so. Monique Mortlock, Cape Town.